Rick. What the heck? What in the world? Turn off the TV for a second. Sure, turns TV off. What's up? So you know, Kayla's been really sad lately. Yeah. And she's the happiest girl. The happiest girl. Yeah. What is it? Just tell me. I think we should get another dog. What? But our dog died like 2 weeks ago. I know, but I miss Kayla smiling. But we can't get a dog until next month or something. And we said we were going to get one soon. But who's going to take care of it? The kids will. The kids will take care of it. Anyways. Sissy, can you encourage me? No, I don't want to play with you. But you always play with me. Ever since the dog died, you never played with me. Get out of my room. This is not fun. You're so annoying. Okay. Was that crying noise? I don't know, probably Kayla. Kayla, okay? Yes, everything's great. Fine. You wanna go get some ice cream? I know it's your favorite. No, I don't wanna go do anything. Do you wanna get some cookies and cream? It's your favorite. No, I don't wanna do nothing. No, I wanna do nothing. Then you wanna watch some YouTube, watch a movie. No, I don't wanna hang out with none of y'all. So are you the one who's crying? No, it was my sis. Okay, honey. Sis doesn't want to play with me. Hold on. Don't do the other way. Why not? She always plays with you. Then how come she doesn't want to play with you now? I said after the dog died, she never played with me. And then she said, get out of my room, it's so annoying. Honey. Why did you tell her that the dog died? Come here, sir. How about I play with you instead? Get your toys. I'll be right back after go to work. I thought you don't work on Saturdays. I do right now. Okay, bye. Bye, honey, love you. Love you, gang. You sit and play with her. As we all can have some names for this family, I don't know. Should be the Collins. Yeah, that should be the Collins family, because there's no boy in the house. But actually was. But I don't want to play again. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Hurry, restart that. Bye, Kayla. Bye, Dad. Love you. Love you too. Close this door. Hi. Hello. Would you like to buy a dog or a cat? What? You said, would you like to buy a dog or a cat? A dog. Which one would you like? What? Listen closely. Okay. What kind of dog would you like? I can't really understand you. Look, this is how I talk, okay? Don't make fun of me. I think the reason was don't tell me wasn't that loud. Yeah, I might record myself singing later today. I'm not sure. Oh. The mom chose a dog. I'm gonna guess so it. I'll get this one. That is $1,000. What? This is how I talk. Okay? Don't make fun of me. I bet myself sarcastic. I make myself be sarcastic. What? That is $1,000. Okay, that's a lot. Okay. Would you like any supplies? Yes, I would like some supplies. Finally, you're insert. I would like. Is there no beds here or something? I just want to feel like these pillows. And they're like the dog food and toy. Pay some leaves. Oh my gosh. Is that a dog? Yes, that's a dog. I need to put a smile on her face. No, thank for the other one. Both of them shocked. Dog. This is why I didn't want you to get a dog. She gets scared every second. Why are you so mad? I'm mad because you didn't get one because you went behind my back. Let me put it in the cabin. No, don't put it up here. Get off me. You're supposed to be 7. Hold on. Thank you. I'm moving it. Daddy, pick me up. Pick me up, you. No, you're 6. You're about to turn 7. Gotta calm down. Yeah, one hour is not gonna help. Hold on. Give me. See, the dog's not gonna come to you. Just grab the milk. Good. Now go put it back. See, now the dog won't come to you. It's in the bathroom or somewhere. Yeah. A little bit. Why am I eating the dog right now? Wait, no, buddy. Wait, let me do this real quick. Put the dog. That is funny. Let me get a dog. I want to laugh so hard right now. Kayla. Then they go to the living room. No, she's not gonna bite you. Bite you. I didn't say it. I meant to say bite you. I can't talk for some reason. Yeah, for some reason I can't speak. Okay, she's not gonna bite you. Okay, she's not gonna run around. I'm gonna chase you. What in the world is wrong with my thing? You think stop? Why in the world?